Gang violence needs to be wiped out.
13A61, assisted tag 2 for 13 Victor.
Tonight, Pastor Rudy is in the hospital, undergoing surgery according to family after that brutal
The
attack.
gangs are fighting a war over turf, drugs, and money. One ambulance after another delivers victims of the gang violence that just won't stop.
Police say just before 11 this morning, Pastor Rudy was assaulted here, right out in the street on the 700 block of North Maclay in San Fernando.
Court documents reveal the gang used violence to further their goals. Everything from shooting, beatings, murder, and other violence.
Gang violence needs to be wiped out.
Faith Center and Friends of San Fernando present Stop the Violence, a night of hope, breaking the generational curse. A testimony of faith with special guest Mary Ann Garcia, with appearances by Big Unc, Michael Jason Scott, and Pastor Rudy Trujillo.